Thank you, everybody. My name is Bugra, and I'm a PhD student studying computer science. And I'm a Meteor GS fan, actually, and using it for nearly 8 months. I'm actually quite new to Meteor, but I am trying to develop some apps, and I will show these ones. Actually, the first one, my first app, is a mobile app. I developed it to learn PhoneGap and Meteor.js, actually. It's a very simple app, just for online voting. You can download it from Android Market, and I put it nearly 2 days ago to iOS Store. That's why it's in the review. You can download it nearly 4 or 5 days later, I think. It's called Ballot. It's a very simple app, actually. It was a just simple challenge for me to learn Meteor.js. You can create and join votings, and there are 2 languages available. This is my language, that's why I put it here. And you can just create vote by clicking vote, create voting. You put a voting name, and if you want a password, you can put a password, and also a limit for the vote count. And you can also add custom fields. There's an explanation part here for the new users. This is a just question and answer part. You can write your question and your answers here, up to 10 answers. And just publish it, and the information about voting name and password, and share it with the users. Maybe I can connect some to show it. Yes. Sorry. You can join by just writing the name. And if you do not add any custom values, you just encounter with yes, no, or undecided values. It's just a basic voting, simple voting. And after you vote, if the creator of the voting or the time passes, there's a time limit for 15 minutes. The results come to your phone and to the creator also, creator of the voting. And you can also use custom parts, sorry. I'll just make custom fields. Yeah, just sign and read, same. Sorry, by the way. And anyway, you can look it by downloading into your phone, and it will be available in the iOS market in the following days. And it's a very simple app, actually. And the second one is my website. It's called Verbum. It's actually a question and answer social network about best and worst of everything. You just ask something about, for example, best restaurant in London, and users can answer and rate the answers, and follow the other users, follow the answers questions. And it has 2 kinds of views, tile view and list view. I used actually Telescope. Do you know Telescope? For the list view, I just modified it for my specific things, and it has also a tile view, and you also have a profile. It's empty, just for the beginning. By the way, it's not published on the web. I'm just testing it, and I will publish it in the following month, I think. In the profile page, there are things about you, and your topics and the followings, and you can find the best recent or most answered questions by clicking these ones. And also you can create a question. For example, best cafe in London is, I think it doesn't exist here. It asks you not among these, then ask it. And it has a simple form for asking question. You can add topics while asking it. For example, how can I can add cafe or London? And then I am using an API for image search, and it gets you some images about the questions, and you can select whatever you want. It's just the simple basic form of it. I will develop it in these modes. And you can write answers for this question and also other questions. And I can show an example question from here. For example, best art museum in the world, for example. It's just share the information of the time of the question, and you can share the questions in the following. In the following social networks like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and you can follow users from there and share the answers and questions. It's all about asking best and worst, actually. If you visit vobomo.com and share your thoughts and opinions about the website with me, I will be grateful. Thank you for listening.